beginning the bulletin with the breaking update coming in as we continue to get you the details of the NIA searches that is currently taking place at the encounter specialist Cop Pradeep Sharma at his residence is there. What we are getting to know through sources is that NIA has now seized some documents and electronic devices from Pradeep Sharma's residence. Pradeep Sharma for now is at the NIA office. We're going across to Alisha now for a quick update. Alisha, अभी तक क्या बरामद किया गया प्रदीप शर्मा के घर से?
देखिए बिल्कुल अमित, तो जहां पर एंजेलिया बॉम्बस्केयर केस को लेकर एक बड़ा खुलासा, एक बड़ा डेवलपमेंट एनआईए की टीम की ओर से की गई है, जहां पर एनआईए की टीम सुबह 6 बजे प्रदीप शर्मा के मुंबई के रेस्टोरेंट पर पहुंची और लगातार करीबन 4.5 घंटे तक के जो सर्चेस है वो कंडक्ट किए गए। हालांकि प्रदीप शर्मा को सुबह ही एनआईए ऑफिस में लेके आया गया और वहीं पर पूछताछ जो है प्रदीप शर्मा से की जाएगी। देखिए तीसरी बार पूछताछ की जाएगी। वहीं पर जो एनआईए की ओर से सर्चेस कंडक्ट किए गए उसी दौरान अब फिलहाल कहीं ना कहीं पर सर्चेस पूरे हो चुके हैं, लेकिन दूसरी ओर से डॉक्यूमेंट्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस जो है वो प्रदीप शर्मा के घर से बरामद किए गए और इसको लेकर अब पूछताछ प्रदीप शर्मा से भी की जाएगी। खुद एनआईए के एसपी विक्रम खालाटे जो कि प्रदीप शर्मा के घर पर मौजूद थे और वहीं पर जो है सर्चेस कंडक्ट कर रहे थे और अब ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस और जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रदीप शर्मा के घर से बरामद किए गए हैं वो अब एनआईए ऑफिस में लेकर जाकर कहीं ना कहीं क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग जो है वो प्रदीप शर्मा से की जाएगी। इस दौरान प्रदीप शर्मा का नाम तब आया जब 2 लोगों की अरेस्ट की गई, जिसमें से एक संतोष शेलार और आनंद यादव। इन दोनों को जो रिसेंटली सवाजे को लेकर जहां पर अरेस्ट किया गया तो दोनों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट मनसुख हिरेन मर्डर केस पर पता चल रहा था, जिसके बाद संतोष शेलार ने, जहां तक एनआईए ऑफिशियल्स की ओर से बताया जा रहा है कि संतोष शेलार को जब कोर्ट के सामने प्रोड्यूस किया गया था तो संतोष शेलार ने ये खुद खुलासा जो है वो कोर्ट के सामने ये किया है कि क्यों उनको यानी संतोष शेलार को एनआईए ने अरेस्ट किया है। अगर अरेस्ट करना है तो प्रदीप शर्मा को करो क्योंकि वो उनका डायरेक्ट लिंक है, क्योंकि जो भी किया गया वो प्रदीप शर्मा ने किया गया। यही कोर्ट के सामने बोलने के बाद एनआईए की टीम की आज एक बड़ी डेवलपमेंट के तहत जहां पर आज प्रदीप शर्मा के घर पर सर्चेस कंडक्ट किए गए और वहीं पर डॉक्यूमेंट्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस भी सीज किया गया है।
अलीशा में बताया जा रहा है कि पहले एक बार क्वेश्चनिंग हो चुकी है प्रदीप शर्मा की बाय द एनआईए। नाउ वी टोल्ड ही इज बैक एट द एनआईए ऑफिस। दोबारा क्वेश्चनिंग होगी क्या?
बिल्कुल प्रदीप शर्मा सुबह से ही जहां पर एक तरफ एनआईए की टीम जो कि खुद प्रदीप शर्मा के घर पर पहुंची थी और उसके बाद प्रदीप शर्मा को जो है एनआईए ऑफिस में ऑलरेडी लेके जाया गया और वहीं पर अब एनआईए के एसपी विक्रम खालाटे जो कि अब मौके पर पहुंचेंगे, यानी जो है एनआईए ऑफिस में पहुंचकर उस डॉक्यूमेंट्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस के साथ कहीं ना कहीं पर पूछताछ जरूर की जाएगी। देखिए इससे पहले भी प्रदीप शर्मा से जहाँ पूछताछ की गई थी, क्योंकि प्रदीप शर्मा जो कि सचिन वाजे के काफी करीबी बताए जा रहे थे और कई पुलिस फोर्स की ओर से भी, कई मुंबई पुलिस ऑफिसर्स की ओर से भी दोनों के रिलेशन पर, चाहे प्रदीप शर्मा और सचिन वाजे के जो रिलेशन को लेकर खुलासा लगातार किया जा रहा था और इंक्वायरी भी जो है वो खुद मुंबई पुलिस की ओर से एक जो इंक्वायरी लेटर है वो खुद होम मिनिस्टर डिपार्टमेंट को भी दी गई थी, जिसमें साफ तौर पर जो है दोनों के रिलेशन और किस तरीके से जो कामकाज है दोनों के बताए गए थे। इसी के बाद प्रदीप शर्मा से 2 बार पूछताछ की गई थी। एक दिन जो है वहां पर 7 घंटे तक की पूछताछ की गई थी, वही दूसरे दिन भी एक मैराथन पूछताछ की गई। लेकिन आज कहीं ना कहीं पर एक एक्शन पर उतरी एनआईए की टीम, जहां पर सुबह 6 बजे प्रदीप शर्मा के घर पर पहुंचकर सर्चेस कंडक्ट किए गए। 4.5 घंटे तक की जो छापेमारी है वो एनआईए ऑफिशियल्स की ओर से की गई। लेकिन अब सबसे अहम जहां पर पता चल रहा है कि दस्तावेज के तौर पर कई डॉक्यूमेंट्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस सीज किए गए और वहीं पर प्रदीप शर्मा जो कि एनआईए ऑफिस में मौजूद है वहां पर उनको इंट्रोगेट किया जाएगा।
बने रहिए हमारे साथ Alisha. We also have Yesha joining us live right outside the Mumbai residence of Pradeep Sharma. Yesha, it's been almost 5 hours of the searches that has now been going on part of the NIA that began early this morning around 6 a.m. The live updates, please.
That's right. So what you can see is we're right here outside Pradeep Sharma's residence. He stays in this building on the top floor. It was approximately 6 a.m. was when the NIA officials had reached here to conduct the raid. It's being said that Pradeep Sharma has been taken from here, but approximately just 20-25 minutes back was when NIA officials, which included some cops as well, and the NIA SP Vikram Khalate, who was also present here for the raid, has left from this residence. So what we can say is they've all gone to the NIA office because it's been known that Pradeep Sharma is at the NIA office and is being questioned in this case. So as of now, while there was no clarity from Vikram Khalate, he did not clarify as to why the raid was conducted. But what we've got to know is that considering Pradeep Sharma is there, he'll be questioned in that case. Also here, the role of Pradeep Sharma is really important because Sachin Waze, who's considered to be the main accused in both the Antela bomb scare as well as in the Mansukh Hiren death case, is in the NIA, is in the judicial custody and was questioned by the NIA in his entire role. As there were recreations that also took place in this entire case when it comes to Antela or for that matter Mansukh Hiren's death case, and as a result of which it's a known that Pradeep Sharma, who is the encounter specialist, and Sachin Waze were quite close to each other, as a result of which his role would also be understood in this entire case. On the other hand, like Alisha also mentioned, Santosh Shelar, who was arrested by NIA 2 days back, he along with one more accused was arrested and produced before the magistrate and have been sent to the custody. It was this Santosh Shelar who had happened to mention that Pradeep Sharma's role should be questioned in this entire case, as a result of which what we see is 2 days later there was a raid conducted at Pradeep Sharma's residence, and now the NIA team has left from here, so they would be reaching the NIA office and the further investigation would continue at NIA office. Yes.
All right, so Yesha is telling us the details that the NIA team for now has left from the residence of Pradeep Sharma. It's been around 5 hours of the search operation that began around 6 a.m. early this morning at the residence of Pradeep Sharma, the encounter specialist. Remember, he's already been questioned by the NIA, marathon questioning that has taken place, and he's back at the NIA office. We are told all of those officials from the NIA who were at also the residence of Pradeep Sharma, they are also set to now return to the NIA office. As we continue updating our viewers more on this, what we are getting to know through sources that around some documents and other electronic evidence still now that has now been recovered from Pradeep Sharma's residence. So we continue tracking this story. But Yesha, if you can still hear me, if you can just give us the details, as you are saying that the NIA team who was right there at Pradeep Sharma's residence, are they now heading back to the NIA office itself, or other searches that they will carry out at other places too?
As of now, there's no clarity as to the other developments that are taking place at NIA office, because the NIA officials have not really commented on this entire development. But what we understand is that there was a 5-hour raid that was conducted here, and as a result of which what we see is the NIA would be further probing this entire case, because NIA was close to filing the charge sheet in this entire Mansukh Hiren as well as the Antela bomb scare case. But in that context, what really happened was there were 2 arrests that took place, and as a result of which there is this raid that was conducted at Pradeep Sharma's residence. Now, Pradeep Sharma, who's the
Yesha, we're getting another update. We're getting another update on the same story. Let me also go across to Shravan now, because according to sources, we're getting to know that the individual who was arrested earlier, 2 of them who were arrested earlier, Shravan, we're getting to know that during the interrogation, they had taken the name of Pradeep Sharma. What more do we know? The 2 associates who have been named by Shelar, who was linked to Lakhan Bhaiya case.
Well, in fact, Amrita, the latest details that we are picking up from our sources within the National Investigation Agency is that Santosh Shelar, who was arrested just a few days ago and was sent to custody till about 21st of June, he has now taken the name of 3 people, 2 associates and 1 is of Pradeep Sharma. We are not taking the name of the 2 associates because the investigation is still underway. All that we can report at this point in time is that the 2 associates that have been named by Santosh Shelar in custody is that of 2 people connected to the Lakhan Bhaiya case. Remember, in the Lakhan Bhaiya matter itself, we were essentially told that one of the persons who was basically out on parole was actually arrested by the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorist Squad. Now, the latest information now coming in is that as far as procurement of the gelatin sticks are concerned, Santosh Shelar and his associate Anand Yadav, who were arrested by the National Investigation Agency, they are connected to Pradeep Sharma. In fact, Pradeep Sharma's name has also been taken by Sachin Waze. the disgraced cop from Mumbai police. He too has taken the name of Pradeep Sharma. It remains to be seen what exactly is the NIA looking at this point in time, because Pradeep Sharma was actually called in for questioning when Sachin Walde was arrested. If you remember, even the former Mumbai police commissioner, Parambir Singh, was called in for questioning by the National Investigation Agency. As of now, there have been some incriminating evidences that the National Investigation Agency has come across, and that is the reason why we are looking at this early morning searches that were carried out at Pradeep Sharma's Mumbai suburban residence. And we have now been told by our sources that some evidences in terms of documents and a printer has now been taken to the NIA office in Mumbai.